The world is on the verge of an environmental catastrophe. That's the stark warning from the UN Secretary-General Ban Ki-moon. But the latest report from the UN's climate change panel says some of the worst effects could still be avoided if action is taken now. David Shukman reports.
This is what it's all about, the gases changing our climate. Here to launch the report, no less than the United Nations Secretary-General Ban Ki-moon. He's just seen for himself the effects of global warming in Antarctica, the first man in his position to make the visit, and the rate of melting there clearly disturbed him.
These scenes are frightening as science fiction movies, but they are even more terrifying because they are real. Ladies and gentlemen, slowing and reversing these threats is the defining challenge of our age.
Even as he was speaking, the people of Bangladesh are experiencing exactly what the scientists are warning about. A cyclone caused this widespread flooding. The death toll is mounting, and today's report says storms like this are set to become more violent and more dangerous as the sea level rises. The conclusions unveiled here are as authoritative as they come. The result of 5 years' work by more than 2,000 scientists and endorsed by more than 100 governments. The head of the UN Environment Programme describes the implications of the report as alarming, but says he hopes that views will now change.
If it is really true what could happen to our planet, what we're doing right now is irresponsible. And every normal human being is going to say we shouldn't go on like this.
There are solutions. This experimental plant turns waste food into fuel. It's only a small example, but new technology can help cut emissions of greenhouse gases. The scientists are clear that with the right effort, we can head off the worst of global warming. David Shukman, BBC News in Valencia.